Many people think they don't have a chimney just because they don't have a fireplace. Not true. Most homes that heat with oil or gas use a chimney to vent the toxic fumes. Without regular maintenance, chimneys can catch fire or allow dangerous carbon monoxide to enter a home. Therefore, the chimney should be inspected regularly by a certified chimney-trained professional for inspection, cleaning, or repair. Improve the operation of your fireplace and increase the safety of your home. Clean your chimney with ease. Get your free estimate today. With over 50 years of combined experience, Certified Chimney Inspections is the best family-owned and operated company for your chimney needs. If you haven't had your chimney serviced lately, call Certified Chimney today at 844 PRO Sweep or visit us on the web at certifiedchimneyinspections.com.